Dear friends, welcome to WordPressAuthority.Org. Today we will be learning about how to install WordPress manually on your domain and hosting. This is the website on which we are going to install WordPress in the manual way. So first of all, let's log into the control panel of the website that is provided by your hosting company. So once you're logged into your control panel, uh, let's find out the file manager. Open up the file manager that leads you to the root directory where you're supposed to upload the WordPress install set. Before that, let's download the WordPress install set from the WordPress official website. So this is where you will find the WordPress install set. You need to click on download, and that's a zip file that you are supposed to upload to your file manager. I have already have it downloaded on my desktop, so I'm directly going to the control panel's file manager. Here, click on the upload button and choose a file that you're going to upload onto your file server. So I've just started the upload here. It's a zip file. It'll be done in a couple of seconds. It's almost done here. And once this is completed, you will have to go back to the file manager, the root folder view, and there you will find all the files uploaded. Let's just have a refresh and see. It's not come here yet. Yeah, it's come here. So since this is a zip file, all you have to do is right click on it and extract to the public_HTML. So once it's downloaded or unzipped, you will have your entire WordPress core files in your file manager. And this WordPress zip install set is no longer required. You can delete it off. So now we have the WordPress files already there. The next step is to create a database and create a database user. For that, we need to go to the control panel home page and look for database. Click on MySQL database, and here you need to enter the name of the database and click on create database. This command will create a database with your control panel username underscore the name that you have specified. Here the WordPress database name is this entire thing together. Let's go back. Here you have the database created. Now we need to create a database user. Let's mention it as user. So it will also ask a user name, that is what we have created here, and a password. Ensure you create a complex password, because that will demotivate the hackers who would try to hack into your website database and make the job difficult for them. Now we have a database created already here, and it will also show the MySQL users. So you have a database and you have a user. Now what you have to do is add the user to the database. So here you can see the user is the cPanel username underscore user, and database is this. Click on add. It will ask you to select the privileges. You need to select all privileges and click on make changes. Once this is done, this WordPress database user has been added to this database. Take a note of the WordPress database user and the WordPress database name, because it is required in the step where we install. To install, since the installation files are already there on the file server where we uploaded earlier, you just need to open up the website and click on refresh. So here it says there does not seem to be a WordPress config file. This is a file that stores the critical information like the database name, database connectivity, and all that information. So we need to first create a configuration file. Click on let's go. Here the database name is the one that we need to enter from the previous page. This is the database name, and the database username is this one, and the password is the one that you specified, and local host remains the same and table prefix leave it the same. Click on submit. Now it says all the settings are fine, the database and user are verified. Run the install. Once you run the install, it asks some quick information like the site name, but all these information can be changed later, and ensure that the default admin username is changed to something else, because that makes it tougher for brute force hacking attacks. So this is the email address where your passwords can be recovered in case you forget it. And make sure you click on allow search engines to index it. This ensures that you will appear on Google, Yahoo and other search engines, and the bots are capable of indexing your websites. And now the installation is completed. You can click on login or directly open up your home page to see the installed WordPress already there. So here you can see the content management system, or CMS. WordPress is already installed on your website, and you have a complete website, database and user base already ready to use, and you can log into your admin panel to administrate it. This is the address of any WordPress admin panel. When you click on, when you type this admin panel, it will ask you to log in with the details you entered. I'm using the username and password that I had configured, and I'll be directed to the dashboard. Here there will be n number of settings that you can use to configure your website, to change the themes, change the look and feel, and do a lot of things, and improve the functionality of your website. But for now, we're just stopping here. We have our WordPress website installed. Let's see how it looks. So this is a nice looking default WordPress template, and you can start using it. Hope you have found this tutorial useful to learn how to install a WordPress website manually. Leave in your comments in the comment section and ask me your questions if you have any. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.